Hi, I'm Karan from Karna Institute of Technology, URK20CS301. In this video, we are going to see about the array and array of the object. Um, uh, this first question is matrix manipulation. Create a menu-based application to demonstrate the matrix operation such as addition, subtraction, and multiplication using a menu-driven method. First, we want to create a matrix and then addition, subtraction, multiplication, and exit. Let's see in this code. First, all a static int to create a list, to create an array, and the array is declared as x and y, and we get an user input, and we use for loop I is equal to 0, I is greater than or x, I increment, and then j means column. It's I means row and j is column. J is equal to 0, j is greater than y, and j will be incremented. A is equal to I plus 1 and b is equal to j plus 1. We want to display the output as enter rows, columns, and the element. First we want to give the addition. For the addition we want to give an logic system and int to declare an array, add int x and int y. Length of an array, and we want to declare the for loop int I is equal to 0, I is greater than rx, dot length, and I plus plus. For and again I nested loop for loop, for int j is equal to 0, j is greater than or x 0 dot length, and j increment. In this we apply an addition logic, and then we apply an multiplication. The same procedure for the subtraction, only the differentiate of plus and minus only, and then we get a multiplication. These also the same thing. We get multiplication symbol. This we get a menu driven program that create matrix, add, subtract, multiply, and exit. In this enter your choice by the users. First we want to get an user input, enter row of matrix 1 and enter column of matrix 1, and create the matrix A. In this next we will it will be create matrix A as int I is equal to 0. We get an proper matrix form by using these two row and columns. After that we also create the row and columns for second row, second column. System dot out output, the same will be followed for matrix A. And the matrix will be displaying the value of multiplication, subtraction, like that. For int I is equal to, want to use a for loop to create an matrix B element, and we give an break, and case 2 will be an if m is or p and n is equal to q, system dot out and matrix cannot be added. If C is equal to add A comma B, added matrix, we use a for loop for the addition, and the case 3 the matrix can't be subtracted. If there will be a difference between the rows and columns, if it will be only multiply or divide or add or subtract will be the square matrix only. So matrix can be subtracted. If A comma B is equal to equal, it will be subtracted matrix. Like that only case 4 matrix can be multiplicated, and multiple matrix. Int I is equal to 0, I is greater than or c dot length, I increment. Break case 5 state is equal to false. If these conditions are not applied, it will be automatically gives false, and please enter the valid choice. If we give the without any menu driven program, it will be entered, please enter the valid choice. See the output of this program. In this first, it asking create matrix, add, subtract, multiply, and exit. First, we want to create a matrix. Uh, we want to how many rows and columns? 2 by 2, and I give the number as 4, 5, 6, 7. If matrix A is created 4, 5, 6, 7, and for matrix B, 7, 6, 5, 4. Matrix B also created. Now we want to add, subtract, or multiply. If I give 2, it will be add 4, 4 plus 7, 11, 5 plus 6, 11, 5 plus 6, 11, 4 plus 1, 11. If I give a 3, it will be subtract. It should be given minus symbols. Or if I give 4, it will be multiply. If I give 5, it will be exit. Next program. To student information system. In this application, if you will apply the concept of array and object, we want to create a name, department, and register number, mark 1, mark 2. In this, we want to create a student by getting a user input. We want to searching for a particular student details by using register name, number, or name. In this first, we are using a class student, and in that class the object will be int, data type int, string, and float. Int for register number, and string for name and department, and float for mark 1, mark 2, mark 3, and average and total. For student, we want to create an user input. For student, it will be created and one list of array. For loop will be for loop in state condition and the increment for student st is equal to new dot student. Uh, uh, in this data type, int is equal to x. Scanner is used for to give an user input, or if x is equal to I plus 1, stem dot enter the student name of the student, and enter the register number of a student, enter the department of the student, and enter first, second, third, fourth mark of the student. And then for average, average for 4 marks will be mark 1, mark 2, mark 3, mark 4, and divided by 4, it will be displayed. After that, we will call the function of st.name. If we give the user input, it will be take from that, and it will be display as name, register number, department, mark 1, mark 2, and mark 3, and mark 4, and total marks are average marks. This we will create as an user menu driven program, and it will be asked by the user to enter a choice. And first we created an enter the number of a student for displaying the value, and the details are added. Enter the register number students to be searched. We using for loop for to searching the next value next time, and in the for loop, if will be created and there will be a held in a nested loop. Case 5 status is also if we enter the uh, choice as after the 5, because we are using 5 or exit, and after we 6 enter the valid choice, it will be asking. Let's we run the program and see. First we want to create a student. First enter the number of students. I give 2. Students created, the students will be created, uh, and then add details, ram, register number 301, and department of the student CSE, mark will be 54, 67, 89, 76. And the name of the again another student we given 2 is an input, um, 34, 56, 76, 65. Sorry sir, I giving wrong. First we created a student, the number of students 2 will be created, students are created, and then second add details. First name of the student, and the roll number of the student 301, and the department CSE, and the mark will be 35, 67, 87, 65, and the second will be Balu, number will be 305, department CSE, number will be mark will be 65, 76, 87, 60. Details added. You want to display the students average and total marks, want to give 3. It will be given total marks and average mark, this also. And after I search a student, if you give 4, enter the I give 301, raw mark will be displayed and the total mark and average. If you want to exit, I give 5. Okay, thank you.